So good morning to all. In our previous class regarding introduction to management accounting, we discussed the concept number how much ma? 3. What is the summary of the concept number 3? Come on, what is the summary of the concept number 3? There are 3 branches of accounting. There are 3 branches of what ma? Accounting. Correct. Under the brand name of accounting or under the name of the accounting, there are 3 subjects are there in olden days. Number 1, financial accounting. Number 2, cost accounting. Number 3, management accounting. For time being, costing is identified as a separate subject. Costing is identified as what ma? Separate subject. Management accounting also identified as a separate subject. One and only subject left under the name of accounting. What is the name of the subject? Financial accounting. Financial accounting. Till now clear? Till now clear, amma? Excellent. So now we will focus on the what is meant by accounting. We already done in the previous class. What is meant by accounting, my dear friend? Accounting is an systematically recording, reporting, analyzing organization financial transactions. Organizational financial transaction. Clear? Accounting main intention to give financial information. To give what? Financial information. To whom? To users of the financial statement. Users of what ma? Financial statement. Till now clear? Who is the stakeholder? Stakeholder including shareholder, employees, regulators, government authorities, employees. Next, lender or our creditor, customer. Next, research analyst as a case may be. Till now clear? These persons are called as what ma? Stakeholder or users of the financial statement. Users of what, my dear friend? Financial statement. Till now clear? Till now clear, ma? Excellent. In 2014, Warren Buffett, one of the great person, Warren Buffett told that in his opinion, accounting is not a subject. Accounting is a business language. Business language. Accounting is a business language. This language will be helpful to run the business, to record the business transaction. To run the business, to record the business transactions. Till now clear? Till now clear, ma? Who is the users of accounting? Who is the users of accounting? Number 1, owners and investor. We already told owners and investor is interested in 2 things only. Number 1, profitability. Number 2, position of the organization. Position of the organization. Profitability can know through P&L account, can know through trading account. P&L account as well as trading account. Trading account will give gross profit. P&L account will give net profit. Correct? Position statement can know through balance sheet. Through what, my dear friend? Balance sheet. Now tell me, my dear friend, tell me, in the view of owner or investor, what is the use of the accounting? 2 things. Their expectation will be 2 things. I want to know profit of the company. I want to know position of the organization. Clear? Second person, management. There is no exact expectation. Based on the situation, our expectation will change. Based on the situation, our expectation change. Based on the situation, decision making change. Till now clear? Excellent. Number 3, whom? Creditor. Whom? Creditor. Listen carefully. Creditor. Next username whom? Creditor. Correct? We will take example. Reliance Limited, RIL. RIL means Reliance Industries Limited. Reliance Industries Limited. Okay. Reliance Industries Limited approach to the Axis Bank. Just assume Reliance Industry Limited approach to whom, my dear friend? Axis Bank, regarding loan of 2000 crores. Reliance Industry Limited approaches, just hypothetical I am taking. Clear? Reliance Industry Limited approaches whom? Axis Bank or HDFC Bank or SBI, any bank here. No need to worry at all. Okay, as a Reliance Industry Limited, I approach to the HDFC Bank. I'm asking, what I'm asking? Loan of rupees 2000 crore for the purpose of expansion of my business into chemical industries. Just assume Reliance Limited or Reliance Industry Limited is interested to expand the new venture called as chemical industry, chemical business. Just assume. So for what purpose they are asking? Business expansion purpose. What purpose, ma? Business expansion purpose. Axis Bank, is it chance to give loan, to grant the loan, whatever asked amount, whatever required amount, whatever requisition quoted by the Reliance Industry, is it possible without any verification? Without any verification, is it possible? Answer is no. Name and fame might be good. Financial statement might not as much as good as a compare in the society. Again, I am telling, Reliance Industry is a good company in the view of society, in layman language, that whatever goodwill is there, whatever expectation is there, that expectation should be reflected in financial statement. Then only I will rely. Who told? Axis Bank or HDFC Bank. In the view of Reliance Industry, Axis Bank is called lender or creditor. He taking the, or he is interested to take the loan means he is giving the loan. He is giving the loan means in the view of Reliance Industry, Axis Bank is called creditor man. In the view of Axis Bank, we are customer, we are debtor to their financial statement. In the view of Axis Bank, Reliance Industry is called debtor. In the view of Reliance Industry, Axis Bank is called creditor. Correct? Correct, my dear friend? Now tell me, my dear friend. Creditor. In the view of creditor, what is the use of financial statement? If any time we want to sanction the loan, every creditor will check creditworthiness. Will check what, ma? Creditworthiness. Creditworthiness means, is it such industry? Is it such industry? Or is it such person? Is it such a person having able to repay the amount of 2000 crores within the span of period or particular period? Loan term is equal to 7 years. Is it chances is there? In the span of 7 years, in the span of 7 years, is it possible to repay? Is it possible to repay? Is chances is there or not? You might have chance to tell answer yes. Why? Because I use the word Reliance Industry. Just assume instead of Reliance Industry, Mr. A. Now tell me. May not. Why? We na. May in same scenario, Reliance case also may or may not. Here. In Reliance case also may or may not. It means Axis Bank like a creditor or lender, they are interested to check what? What ma? Credit worthiness. Credit worthiness can be find out through financial statement. Can be find out through what ma? Financial statement. Number one, balance sheet, they will check. Why? Even in worst scenario, if company unable to repay any debt, if company unable to repay any debt, okay, as a lender, I have right. As per Indian Contract Act, I will visit to your company, I will take whatever required assets are there. I will dispose the asset, I will recover my loan. Is it also possible, na? Respond, ma. So it means they will check what? Balance sheet. They will check what, ma? P&L account. They will check what, ma? Cash flow statement. They will check what, ma? Cash flow statement. Now tell me, my dear friend, in the view of creditor, what is the use of the financial statement or accounting? To know the credit worthiness. To know the credit worthiness. Check. People who are institution that lend the money, come on my dear friend, that lend the money to a company, means example Reliance Industry. Okay, like suppliers, bank, debenture holder. Want to know company can repay. Repay means credit worthiness, my dear. Repay means what, my dear friend? Credit worthiness. Repay them on time. Repay is different from repay them on time. Clear? I repaid after 3-4 notices. Is it on time? Answer is no. Repay on time. Financial statement helps to understand company's short-term and long-term financial position. Based on the financial position, lender will decide whether to sanction the loan or not. Lender will decide whether to sanction the loan or not. Clear? Respond ma. సింపుల్ సమ్మరీలో చెప్పాలంటే, లోన్ ఇచ్చే ఏ పర్సన్ అయినా నీ దగ్గర పొజిషన్ బాగుంటేనే, నీ ఫినాన్షియల్ పొజిషన్ బాగుంటేనే లోన్ ఇస్తాను. ఎందుకంటే రేపు పొద్దున ఏం జరుగుతుందో తెలీదు. నువ్వు రీపే చేయలేని పరిస్థితి ఉంటే నీ దగ్గర ఉన్న అసెట్స్ అయినా అమ్మైనా సరే, సేల్ చేసైనా సరే, నా అమౌంట్ నేను రికవర్ చేసుకుంటాను, నేను నష్టపోకూడదు. ఇది ఎవరి వివో? లెండర్ ఆర్ క్రెడిటర్. లెండర్ ఆర్ క్రెడిటర్, వన్ అండ్ ద సేమ్, మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్. Till now discussion clear? Otherwise I have to repeat. Till now clear? Excellent. Next, who is the next user, my dear friend? Who is the next user? Regulatory or regulator. Who is the regulator? Regulator means those persons having independent authority. What, my dear friend? Those persons having independent authority. Independent authority to take any decision. To take any decision under the purview of such authority. Under the purview of such authority. Under the purview of such authority. Come on, my dear friend. For example, for sake of example, who is the regulator? Example for regulator: CCI, Competition Commission of India. In India, Companies Act, Indian Contract Act, Bonus Act, Gratuity Act, EPF Act, okay, GST Act, Income Tax Act, Customs Act, next RBI Act. So many acts are there. In one of the act, Competition Act. One of the act, what, my dear friend? Competition Act. Till now clear? Till now clear, ma? So Competition Act told that any business person is trying to kill competition. Any business person trying to kill what, my dear friend? Competition. It is illegal. trying to kill competition, it is illegal. If you feel your competitor, if you feel your competitor might taken steps to kill your organization in the competition, then you have right to approach to the CCI. You have right to approach to the CCI. Again, I will explain. If anybody, if you feel, if anybody killing you or your organization in the competition world, killing means not physically, I am telling in the view of business, in the view of business. For suppose for suppose Mr. A, listen carefully, Mr. A having multiple business. Mr. A having what, my dear friend? Multiple business. Mr. B having only schools, only school business. School also one of the business in India. It might like it look like a service activity. It's not look like a service activity in nowadays or present days. School also one of the business. Be frankly speaking, correct? B having what? School. Respond ma. Mr. A having what? Multiple business. Example, cement business. Cement manufacturing here. They are manufacturing cement. Example, textile business. Example, automobile business. He's so strong financially as compared to Mr. B. As compared to Mr. B. Listen carefully. Mr. A having thought to enter into school. Mr. A having intention to start a school. It means he it means he having a intention to start a educational industry in the name of A. A educational institutions, a group of institutions or a group of education institution. Banner name. Respond here. In the view of B, A is called competitor. Before not a competitor here. Textile industry, school industry is different. Cement industry, school industry is different. Automobile industry, school industry is different. But school is entering into now which segment? Educational institution. Is there also existing educational institution? In the view of B, A is called what? B, frankly speaking, listen carefully. B, frankly speaking, cost per student, cost per student is equal to 20,000. Cost per student means lecturer salary, non-teaching staff salary, maintenance of the school such as electricity bill, water bill, municipality bill of the school building, school rents. School rent is also there na? Hello, school rents will be there na? All schools on own premises, huh? Might be yes, might be no. Some of the schools still India is running on a lease premises or rental premises. Respond, my dear. So all the cost, school teachers fees, fees means salaries, non-teaching staff salaries, next school maintenance, next rental expense, all the expenses divided by number of students. He having number of students 2000, just assume. He having 2000. His cost divided by 2000, I got how much? 20,000. How much ma? 20,000. Listen carefully. He having intention to enter into school na? Respond. What is the B school's infrastructure? Is there? A is also with the same infrastructure they started. Whatever cost incurred by B, A also same. Respond here. Then what is the cost per student in the view of A? 20,000. Same infrastructure, same cost, all the things are same, but banner is different. Here A group of institution, that B group of institution. Respond ma. Now profit. Profit will expect or not expected? Expected. 5,000. Now school fees for the each student 25,000 per annum. we will collect from the parent. Hello. Yes. A is a newly startup school. B is a existing school. If newly startup school or business, they are not thinking for profit. They should think for goodwill, increase the goodwill, improve the school. Right? Respond here. As a marginal costing student, marginal costing, we will think for BEP, na? Newly startup organization, I told in the marginal costing chapter. Worst scenario, in the view of A, what is the school fees he can charge? Assume he doesn't having intention to earn any profit. I want goodwill. I want to survive in the competition. He having intention like that. Now tell me, what is the worst fees? What is the minimum fees he should charge? How much, ma? 20,000. Why? Because he incurred total cost divided by number of admissions is equal to 20,000 they predicted. Correcta? Correcta? But unfortunately, Mr. A, unfortunately, come on, my dear friend. Unfortunately, Mr. A is nothing but a group of schools. A group of schools charging 12,000. Charge it 12,000. What is the profit or loss? Profit or loss, ma? Loss. How much? Is it okay for A? Is it bearable? Answer is yes. We have one more business. If I got loss from the school, there is no issue at all. I can bear. Why? Because I have cement industry. I have textile industry. I have automobile industry. If I got one business loss, I can bear. Same example, if B is getting loss, is it bearable? As compared to A, is it okay na? Answer is no. Answer is what, my dear? No. In that scenario, he should charge how much at least? Greater than or equal to 20,000. 12,000, is it reasonable or not reasonable? Not reasonable. But he is taking a fees of 12,000. He is taking off what, my dear friend? Come on, 12,000. What is their intention? What is their intention? To kill the B school in the competition. Then we are, if B school is closed, this school is closed, only one school is there in that village. In that scenario, monopoly. It look like a monopoly here. There is no more schools. Monopoly. After monopoly, I will charge how much I required. Whatever I lost in the last 1 year, 2 years or 3 years, I will recover. This is a business mindset. Is it correct way na? Wrong way na? Wrong way. Who told? Competition Act told. According to Competition Act, according to, come on my dear friend, according to Competition Act, no business can try to eliminate, competition directly or indirectly. In that scenario, just you are the business of B. Your business in this manner, you are the business holder of B. Your competitor is A. If you feel A is taking strategy to recover 12,000 to kill my school, in that scenario, B having right to approach CCI. Same like court. Same like what, my dear friend? Court. Court means not Telugu movie here. It's a court means judiciary. Correct? He can move for court for justice. CCA will inquire, will not inquire. Just on receipt of the complaint, we will take action, or we have to inquire. We have to inquire. We will hear the version of B. We will hear the version of A. B is argued that total cost divided by number of students 20,000. Correct or wrong? Total cost divided by number of students is equal to 20,000. How can they charge 12,000? They having multiple business, sir. I don't have any business, sir. I have only one business. This is not fair, sir. Please give me your appropriate order. Please give me appropriate order to the Mr. A regarding please charge the fee greater than or equal to 20,000. In that scenario, competition will be okay. Respond here. Till now clear? I am charging fees to the parent. How much? In the view of B, 25,000. He charging how much? 12,000. Parent will think, I have 2 kids. If I join 1 kid in your school, 25,000. If I approach to A school, 2 kids will study with the help of one fees. 12,000 plus 12,000, 24,000 here. Here 1 kid itself 25,000. All parents will goes to A school rather than B school. Is it not fair, na? To kill the competition, is it fair? Is it fair? No. In that scenario, to whom do you have to go? CCI. Same example. Same example. If Geo, just assumption, if Geo has if Geo having intention to made a complaint on Airtel, no need to go for central government. They have separate body called as TRAI, Telecom Regulatory Authority. So TRAI. Example SEBI. Example COG. These are called as what? These are called as what, ma? Regulator. For the purpose of solving the question or case, see here A school versus B school, na? Come on, my dear. A school versus B school, na? As a CCI, as a judiciary power, we have to listen the version of A. We have to listen the argument from B. After listening of the both arguments from A and B, we can take independent judgment. Correct or wrong? Correct or wrong? A is told that my cost of school divided by number of admission is equal to 12,000, sir. Is it clear? He argued that my total cost divided by number of admissions coming to me is equal to 12,000. Is it correct or wrong? We have to check now as a CCI. They will ask for financial statement. Please submit your financial statement. In financial statement, in trading account, buy sales is there. Just assume. You might think, hey, sir, school is not preparing trading account. They will prepare receipts and payments account as NPO. Okay, they will ask for receipts and payments account. Under receipts also, fees from the students. In income and expenditure, on accrual basis, they will check how much outstanding fees. We will get to know what is the admissions cost. We will get to know how much cost involved for running a school. If cost divided by number of admissions is equal to 12,000, judgment in favor to the A. If it is not, judgment should be favor to the B. It means CCI will make the judgment based on what? Based on what, my dear friend? Based on what? Financial statement. Sir, little bit I understood. మా ఇంకోసారి చెప్తున్నాను, పిచ్చి వేషాలు అయితే వినుకోకుండా కూర్చుండా అక్కడే ఇక్కడ చూస్తే మాత్రం బాగుండు చెప్తున్నా. ఏం చెప్తే అర్థం కాదేంది? So, if previous example, A school versus B school, if you are not understood, I will give one more practical example. Okay. In regulator, income tax department also one of the regulator in India. They having independent authority to take any action against the person. Those are tax evaded. Those are tax evaded. If you have evidence, no need to go for central government permission. We can take appropriate action against the assessee, not a person. As per income tax language, who is a taxpayer, such person is called assessee, not a person. Person is different from assessee is different from person. Is it clear? All the persons may or may not be assessing. All the assessee may be person. Correct, my dear friend? Persons mean not natural person here. You have to go for income tax definition. Person include company, HUF, so many inclusive definition is there. You have to refer such definition. Correct. Listen. Just listen carefully. Income tax department getting one evidence regarding tax evasion of 2000 crores made by the JED Limited. Come on, my dear. Income tax department, which department, my dear friend? Income tax department getting strong evidence that JED Limited evaded tax is equal to 2000 crores. Just assume. It is an allegation, not proved. Some getting evidences. See, not total income evaded, tax amount evaded. It means total income into 30% is equal to he paid something. As per our knowledge, as per our evidence, total income into 30% is equal to some amount. The difference amount is equal to 2000 crores. For suppose he paid 360 crores as a tax amount. As per my knowledge, as an income tax department, as per evidence, he has to supposed to pay 2360 crore. JED Limited paid or not paid? Paid. How much? 360 crore. As per our knowledge, suppose how much he has to pay? 2360 crore. What is the difference? That is the allegation. That is the allegation. If you go for CMA final, one of the chapters are there in income tax, appeals, assessment procedures. One of the chapters I am telling about in the view of final, CMA final, not in at the level of inter. Okay. As per the income tax provisions, income tax department having autonomous power to write the JED Limited with prior notices. Certain limits, conditions are there here. Okay, they can ride, they can't ride. They can ride or they can't ride here. They can ride. Correct. JED Limited argued that our tax liability is equal to 360 crore. Income tax department argued that your tax liability is equal to 2360 crore. Difference 2000 crore. Correct. Who is correct? Assessee correct? Department correct? On the ride, they will check financial statement. Based on the profit only, na, your income PGBP. Correct, my dear? Based on the P&L account only, your PGBP is decided. I am telling JED Limited, not JED. JED Limited means such company doesn't have income from salary head. You have such company doesn't have income from house property. Just assume. Chances is there. In the name of JED Limited, one building is there. I make a rent. Just assume there is no house property, there is no salary, there is no other source, there is no capital gain, only PGBP. As per PGBP income into 30%, as per department 2360. Correct? As per assessee version, PGBP income into 30%, 360. Allegation is equal to 2000 crores. How to solve? How to know whether department allegation correct or wrong? How to know? They will check financial statement. It means in the view of regulator, financial statement will be helpful here. Come on, my dear friend. In the view of regulator, financial statement will be helpful or will not be helpful? Will be helpful. Till now clear? Till now clear? Otherwise I have to repeat. Excellent. So, coming back to our discussion. Regulatory agencies. Regulatory agencies. What is the example here? I told COG, TROI, CCI, SEBI. Next, Income Tax Department, RBI, etc. Etc. means if any department having autonomous power to take judgment in their area, Income Tax Department having autonomous power to take any judgment, to take any action against only income tax evasion, not GST evasion. not customs evasion. Are you getting my point? So now tell me, government department, which department, my dear? Government department and other authorities use what? Accounting reports to check business are paying right taxes. I told na, he paid 360 crore. As per allegation, he is supposed to pay 2,360 crore. What is the allegation? 2,000 crore. What is the allegation, my dear? 2,000 crore. Is it 360 crore correct? 2,360 crore correct? We have to check with the help of financial statement. Is it clear? And see if they are followed the rules and regulation and working properly or not. Clear? Now tell me, who is the user of accounting? Come on, come on. Who is the user of accounting? Owner and investor. What is their expectation? Only two expectation. I want how much profit. I want what is the position of the organization. Till now clear, my dear friend? Till now clear? Excellent. Next, management. There is no exact expectation. Based on the situation, we need specific financial information. We need specific financial information. Creditor. With the help of financial statement, I can analyze credit worthiness of the business or my customer. In the view of Axis Bank, our customer is equal to Reliance Limited. Example. You got it? Excellent. In the view of regulatory authority, how financial statement will be helpful? Whether they told correctly or not, whether they paid taxes regularly or not, they working properly or not. Till now discussion clear? Till now clear, ma? Till now clear? Excellent. Next user, government. Who is the next user, my dear friend? Government. So government. Next user, government. Okay. If you read the economic subject in CMA Foundation, ORR +1/+2 background with the help of commerce. If you read the economics properly, especially macroeconomics, national income chapter is there. National income chapter is there. GDP, NNPFC means net national product at factor cost is equal to our national income. In the national income chapter, investment multiplier is there. In national income chapter, GDP deflator is there. GDP deflator indicates how much inflation is there last year to current year. Inflation means increasing the price. Increasing the price of commodity or goods or commodity. Is it clear, my dear? Respond. Clear? Yes. See, government, just assume, if you heard the word of mudra loans, this loan given by central government to startup organization or existing business organization to encourage business industries in India. This is the main motto of the central government. Mudra loan. PMEGP, Prime Minister Employment Generation Program, full form. What is the main agenda? To search the talent from the young generation. Those are interested to start up. See, youth having good ideas regarding how to start my business, but I don't have capital. That is the main problem. In that scenario, central government is coming with one scheme. I will give loan. Not free, I will give loan. I will encourage your talent. Based on your talent, please settle your life in the form of business. That is called PMEGP. Correct? Correct? Excellent. Listen. Government, how financial statement will be helpful? in the view of government, in the view of government, how financial statement will be helpful? How financial statement will be helpful? Listen, if you read the GST or any other taxes, some of the northeastern states, example Sikkim, Jharkhand, Tripura, Meghalaya, certain northeastern states getting certain GST exemptions, certain GST registration policies, correct? Certain sedge area, special status, like that they will come in reality, in practically, correct? What is a partiality? Why partiality is showing? In South India, there is no relaxation. In northeastern states, especially North India, central government is focusing. Who is thinking like that? Common person. Common person. Why central government is more focused on northeastern states? Very simple, very simple. Their backward areas are there. Backward areas are there. Are you remember the additional depreciation in income tax? Is there a removed in your syllabus? There. Additional depreciation here. Correct? 32 subsection 1 class 2A. Right? Yes. 32 AD. Special states such as AP, Telangana, West Bengal, Bihar. Again additional depreciation will come. 20% extra. Additional depreciation generally 15%. AP, Telangana, West Bengal, Bihar means 20% extra. It means 35% apart from regular depreciation. Why central government giving only relaxation to the AP, Telangana, West Bengal, Bihar? It is a government policy. It is a national policy. How national policy will be designed? Based on the financial statement. Which sector having encouragement? Which sector having encouragement from our end? Correct? For example, central government analyzing the Tata Motors annual report. Central government analyzing the Tata Motors annual report. Maruti group of annual report. Maruti also automobile industry is there. Maruti cars are. Tata cars are there. Yes. Hyundai, one of the company are automobile industry. Hyundai annual reports. Central government studied Tata annual reports, Maruti annual reports, Hyundai annual reports, Audi annual reports, Benz annual reports are financial statement. They can know what is the growth of the automobile industry. Number one. Respond here. Okay, just assume. If government feels that automobile industry is coming down, sales is down, is decreasing day by day or year by year, in that scenario, government will come with a new policy. I will reduce 50% of road tax. It's reducing price burden to the final consumer who are purchasing four-wheeler. Respond here. Why government decided 50% of why of regarding road tax? Government having intention decreasing economically in the view of sales. How they know? They read the financial statement here. They read the financial statement of Hyundai. They read the financial statement of Tata. They read the financial statement of Audi or Bench. Respond. Till now clear? So now tell me, in the view of government, how it will be useful? Government will analyze the financial statement. How much GDP contribution from industry. Industry means automobile industry means not only Tata. All the automobile industry holders are coming from the group of automobile industry. Hyundai also automobile industry. Audi, Bench, MG, one of the automobile industry. You heard the MG vehicle. Any vehicle is there? Maruti, Tata, Tiago, Tata yaar. Kia, next Skoda, Okay, so whatever you name told, that belongs to automobile industry only. If you read the automobile industry financial statement, government will decide what encouragement they are expecting. What encouragement they will expecting. Correct? What is a national policy? What is a national policy? It means government will be decided. Government will be decided. What is the contribution to the GDP? What is the corporate taxes they paid? Corporate taxes paid. Hyundai will not pay na corporate tax. They will pay a corporate tax. Correct? How much corporate tax paying? How much growth of such sector? Growth is most important. If growth is not there, encouragement should be there. Encouragement means, come on, not like that. You should give some relaxation. Same like 50% of waive-off of road tax. Correct? Many four-wheeler people is complaining that I have one toll gate in our nearby village. Okay, after toll gate, my work will be only within 1 kilometer. I paid so much amount. This is a major complaint. That is the reason government of India coming with one new scheme. You heard or not? No, I don't know. But one scheme is there. If you pay some lump sum amount, no need to pay any toll gate fees within 1 year. Within 1 year. Same like credits. They will give some credit. Based on the passage of toll gate. Based on the passage of vehicle from the toll gate. Okay. They will reduce your credits. After your credit zero, you have to recharge with again lump sum amount. Why this policy is coming? To encourage the automobile industry. Directly or indirectly. Directly or indirectly. That is the reason in the view of government. Government uses financial statement to collect what? To collect data about what ma? Business. Which helps to prepare national economic reports. National economic reports. Till now clear? Next one. Potential investors. What, my dear friend? Potential investor. Are you heard the word IPO? IPO. Till now not heard. First time you are heard. IPO means initial public offer. Company, my company incorporated as a public company. Come on, my dear friend. My company incorporated as a what? Public company. But till now, I'm not issuing any shares to the public as a public offer. With the help of my money and my close friends' money, I will running the business. Example, Zomato. Zomato is incorporated olden days, but IPO coming in the year of 2021. Zomato incorporated before 2021, yeah. But Zomato first time public offer is nothing but IPO is coming in the year of 2021. In the coming year of what ma? 2021. Correct? Whether to invest in the Zomato or not, this is a question mark as a shareholder. As a potential investor, I'm not investor. I'm a potential investor. Potential investor means if my decision is favor, I will become investor for your company. If my decision is unfavor for me, as per my analysis, I will never invest in your company. That is the reason I am potential investor. It's like estimation. May invest, may not invest. May invest, may not invest. Till now clear, my dear? Till now clear? Otherwise I have to repeat. Clear? Now tell me, Zomato, what is the Zomato main business? What is the main business? Food delivery partner, not food manufacturer. Just food delivery partner. They are tie up with the hotels. They are introducing one app in the name of Zomato. If customer order anything on behalf of customer, they will allot one representative. Same like Zomato employee or Zomato delivery boy. Zomato delivery boy goes to the hotel and pick up the order, giving to the customer. Correct? What is the profit for the Zomato? They will charge commission. From whom? From whom? From whom? Not only hotel, from customer also. From customer also. Delivery charges will be there, yeah. If you book the Zomato, see the price bifurcation. Zomato partner delivery charges 4 rupees, 1 rupee, 2 rupee. It look like a 4 rupee. Just assume 4 rupee. In a city, 10,000 orders is there in a day. 10,000 into 4 year, 40,000 for a day. What about per month here? This is amount from the customer. What about hotel? Hotel also giving commission. Hotel also giving commission. Correct? Correct? Be frankly speaking, some of the hotels, if you visit, for example, in Newsweed, Mahesh Gardens are there. Okay, if you visit the Mahesh Garden, opposite to Satyanarayana Theatre approximately, okay, if you visit the hotel, please take a pic of menu. Take a picture of menu, prices. Compare with the Zomato prices. 100% variation is there. Approximately 1 rupee, 2 rupee or 10 rupee, or depends if you are lucky person, 100 also difference is there. If you are lucky, or if you are opting lucky dish. Correct? That is a commission goes to Zomato, yeah. It's a business. This వ్యాపారం. Correct? It means it's a business here. It's a business means every business entrepreneur expects profits. If profits is not there, investor is not interested to invest in your company. As an investor or as a potential investor or estimated investor, financial statement will be helpful. How much profit earned last 5 years, last 2 years, last 1 year, last 3 years. What is the future expectation of cash flow? What is the growth of the company in the upcoming 5 years? I can analyze with the help of financial statement. With the help of financial statement. Zomato versus Swiggy. Swiggy also one of the food delivery partners. Same objective, but company changed. Zomato versus Swiggy. Which one is better? Not to order here, to invest. For food, one and the same charges. If you observe Zomato, whatever hotel you choose, just assumption, same hotels from Swiggy or app also, same charges will be there. Correct? Correct? I'm asking about which company is best for investment, Zomato versus Swiggy. Example, Infosys versus Wipro. Infosys also having software company, Wipro also software company. Which company is good for investment? Infosys versus Wipro. You can't compare Infosys versus ITC tobacco industry. Both are different industries. You can't compare. For same industry you can compare. Correct? Correct? Now tell me, which industry is best? We have to analyze the financial statement. It means financial statement will be helpful for the making for the purpose of decision whether to invest or not. Whether to invest or not. People thinking about, they are thinking here, they are not investing. They are thinking about investing in a company. Use accounting information to compare different investment options. Example, Zomato versus Swiggy. Infosys investment under Infosys company versus investment in Wipro company. Which share is best? We have to analyze the financial statement of both company. It means financial statement will be helpful. Come on, my dear, for the potential investor to make a appropriate decision making. To make what? Appropriate decision making. Till now clear? Excellent. Employees. What my dear friend? Employee is interested in the net profit amount of the company, revenue growth of the company, next operating margin in the company. How much profit earned by the company? So every employee expecting how much net profit earned by the company during the particular financial year. How much operating growth is there? How much revenue growth is there towards company? Why? As an employee, what's your business? Are you interested to know the net profit? No. Based on the net profit only, based on the net profit only, directly or indirectly, salary will be hike. If company doesn't have, if company doesn't have appropriate profits, hike also less. Correct? Bonus, whether increase or decrease based on the profits of the company, allocable surplus, available surplus, as per payment of bonus act. Correct? Correct? So performance bonus, ESOPs, not ESOP, ESOP. ESOP means employee stock option. Employee stock option will be given if company is in good position based on the employee. If employee is very good performing their duties, they will give ESOP option. They will give what, my dear friend? ESOP option. Now tell me, in the view of employee, in the view of employee, my salary hike is based on what? Company profit. How much profit? I want to know means I want to analyze financial statement. I want to analyze what? Financial statement. Till now clear? Respond, ma? Excellent. Now tell me, my dear, employee care, not Yashoda, only care. Okay, employee care about how much profit of a company, because their pay, bonus may depend on the company profits. May depend upon the company profit. Pay is purely depend upon the company position. Company position. For suppose, example we will take. For example, listen carefully. Mr. A, Mr. B. These persons are school friends, not college friends. School friends, childhood friends. What is the name? Mr. A. What is the name of another person? Mr. B. Mr. A and Mr. B. Both are school friends, school age. Correct? Up to 10th class, A and B is very close. Without A, B is not eating. Without B, A is not eating. Such much very close friends. Unfortunately, based on the family incidents, B father is transferred to one more place based on their government transfer. Okay, B is joining college in another area. Respond. Up to 10 years, their friendship bond is there. After 10 years, they are joined in different colleges. Respond here. Excellent. But after certain years, after school age, certain days or after certain year, few minutes later, like that, few years later here. Respond. After few years, they met accidentally in shopping mall. Not in plan. Accidental they met. Ramesh, Suresh, like that ad is there now for 5-star. And same manner here, Mr. A is identified. Arey yaar, you are B. Oh, you totally changed. B also told, you are same school age. No, you are also changed. Like that. Correct? And now, coming back to our discussion, if my class, present class is closed, okay, I'm not vacating the room, just chit chat with the friend. Like we are met after 5 to 7 years back. Daily you are meeting with the friend, keeping the same status, whatever, no things, all the things knows. But if lecturer is not there, chit chat will be there with the friends. After 7 years or after 8 years, A and B met means chit chat will be obviously there, na? Correct or wrong? Yes. So Mr. A, Mr. B is talking. How are you? Where are you working? What's your educational background? Only 10th class. Up to 10th only we have met. Correct. What's your salary? What's your designation? Like that, so on. Professional things is going on. Correct. Mr. A, listen. Mr. A is asking to Mr. B. Mr. B, what is your working designation? What's your working designation? He told that I am working as a assistant manager. I am working as a assistant manager. A told, who told? B. To whom? A. B will ask, na. A is asking, what is your working designation? Correct. Correct. Yes. B is asking, what about you? What's your working designation? I'm not like your chief, your assistant to the manager. I'm a senior manager in my company. I'm not like you are. I'm not assistant to anybody. I'm a senior manager in my company. B is hurted. I'm working as assistant manager, but he is told senior manager. Okay, let it to be. B is asking, what's your salary? B is asking to whom? A, what is your salary? He told that I got 70,000 per month as a senior manager. Correct? 70,000 per month as a senior manager. A is asking, what about your salary? I'm not your like your senior here, your senior manager. I'm just like just assistant, cheap. I get only 1,20,000 per month, yeah. No. I'm assistant. I'm not like you like a senior designation, na. You are senior manager. I'm just after all assistant to my manager. I get only 1,20,000 here. What about your salary? You hurted me, na, in the name of designation. It's a revenge, da, in the view of salary. Correct? Correct? Excellent. He told, just I'm after all small position here. Now you are senior manager. I'm just assistant manager. Here I will get 1,20,000 per month. 1,20,000 per month. Okay. What's your salary? 70,000. 70,000 in my company supervisor will get. Not assistant manager. Supervisor. Basic salary. Here. In my company, senior manager salary, 3 lakh per month. Tell me, what's your designation now? B is asking to A. A is very much frustrated. A is thinking, oh, I am only innocent in the world. Senior manager, designation is good, salary is not decent. He went for management. Management called as ABC Limited. He is working in a Tata Group of Industries. He told, I met my friend, schoolmate, after certain years, he is working as an assistant manager. He is getting 1,20,000 per month. I'm a senior manager. Still I'm getting 70,000. Is it not fair? If you increase the salary, I will continue. Otherwise, bye, sir. Correct? Correct? Then organization, as an employer, he will think for labor turnover. He will think for labor turnover, yeah? Correct? He try to convince, he will try to convince the employee, or he approve the resignation. Every organization should try to convince. If it is not convincible, they can approve. It's not a matter at all. Correct? Correct? Yes. They told that, what's your friend's salary? 1,20,000. What is the company? Tata. What is their turnover, Their turnover is equal to approximately greater than or equal to 4,000 crores. What's our company name? ABC Limited. ABC Limited. Our company turnover, our company turnover is equal to greater than or equal to 20 lakh only. If our turnover same like Tata turnover coming, I will increase not 3 lakh, 7 lakh I will do it. Up to now, keep quiet. Correct? Based on my capability of the organization, I will pay. Is it convincible or not convincible here? Is it convincible or not convincible? Just assume turnover same, then employee will not convince. Same turnover here. Tata Group of Industry, how much turnover is there? ABC Limited also same turnover. Then he will ask for resignation approval. If 20 lakh turnover, we will compare here. 4,000 crore turnover, they will offer 4 lakh, sir 3 lakh. Just 20 lakh here, we are giving 70,000. It's a burden to us. Please try to understand. Employee will keep quiet. Answer is yes. Employee salary is based on what? Turnover. Turnover is coming from financial statement. Hello. That is the reason they told employee care about how much profit earned by the company, because pay or bonus based on the how much profit or turnover. Respond here. Till now discussion clear. Excellent. Last user, researchers. Who is the last user, my dear? Researcher. Researcher means like a PhD scholars. Like a PhD scholar. Mahesh, researcher means like a PhD scholar. PhD scholar means they will research. Are you searching for water bottle? Same like that. Every research university. Okay. Research university. Okay. Example, be practical speaking, IIM. Have you heard the word University of IIM? It's a prestigious universities in India. IIM Kolkata, IIM Bangalore, IIM Vizag. Vizag also there. Recently they started IIM. Okay, IIT Bombay. IIT Bombay is a most famous. Okay, IIT Delhi. Okay, IIT Guwahati. Different IIMs, IITs are there. IIMs, IITs are there. If any student having intention to start the journey, academic journey of MBA in IIM, approximate cost, I don't know exact cost, just hypothetical I told, 20 lakh. 20 lakh, that is called B school here. B school means A versus B, not like that. B school means business school here. Hello, good morning. 20 lakh. In our villages, MBA colleges are there. In entire MBA will complete in 1 lakh. Below 1 lakh also possible. 50,000 itself it is possible, certain colleges. Correct? If you are eligible for fees reimbursement, 0 rupees also possible. Correct? Respond here. Then, what is the difference? IIM studies and this one. IIM will teach like a practicality. They will research on the startup companies. If you go for IIM Kolkata, they will every year they will take financial statement and annual reports given to the students. They will analyze as a consultant, as a employee. Researchers will be helpful. In the view of researchers, financial statement will be helpful to estimate the growth of the company. Developing new ideas. Example, Flipkart. Flipkart you heard? First time you heard, Oh, no. Flipkart, free delivery is there in entire India for every pin code. Subject condition greater than or equal to 500 rupees purchase. It is policy here, Flipkart. If you go for 200 rupees, otherwise bunch of kerchiefs, 100 rupees. Delivery cost 200 rupees, 300 rupees kerchief price. Correct? Apart from kerchief, if I purchase book, cost of rupees 700, free delivery. Free delivery means it is a costly of logistic in the view of Flipkart. Free delivery means petrol will free. Then how to overcome such free delivery option? If I am not giving free delivery, my competitor is equal to Amazon. My competitor is equal to me show or ma show or your show, whatever one show is there, na? That is also one of the competitor. Correct? Correct? Any other electronic platform here? My Geo, yeah, excellent. Not my Airtel, my Geo. Whatever here, no issues. Any more? Mantra, excellent. Mintra, okay. So many electronic platforms. Then Snapdeal, Shopdeal, excellent. Snapdeal also there here. Snapdeal, Shopdeal. So, okay. No worries, sir. You proved your youth. You know everything regarding electronic platform rather than management accounting. I know. Correct? Listen. See, for the purpose of competition, if Amazon told that free delivery, subject condition this price, Flipkart should follow. Then logistic is very costly for them. How to overcome this situation? We have to go for research. Based on the research, we will get new ideas. Where to reduce the cost? Only option, where to reduce the cost. How to know? We have to analyze the financial statement properly. Where unnecessary expenses is going on. Where unnecessary expenses is going on. If unnecessary expenses is avoided, that will be compensated with the free delivery. That is a free delivery we can overcome. It means researchers use what data? What data, my dear friend? Accounting data to study business practices, develop new ideas in accounting. New ideas in what, ma? Accounting. Till now clear, ma? Respond, ma. These are the users. The summary of the shown in the pic. Users of the accounting information. Number 1, owner or investor. What is their intention? Assessing profitability, financial strength. And next, management, internal decision making. Creditors, short-term and long-term position. Position is most important. Cup important bigil annatuga, position important man. Correct? Position means position indicates repayment capability is there or not. Correct, Mohan Chaitanya? Correct? Almost going to be end within 5 minutes. Please wake up here. Government compiling statistics, not statistics for national accounts. Next, potential investor determining merits of the investment opportunities. Regulatory agencies, tax assessment. I told not tax, right? Next, employees compiling statistics for national accounts. Employees evaluating the earnings and remuneration. Researchers research in accounting theory and practices. These are the users. This list, what is the users here? We discussed investor or owner, management, lenders or creditors, government, regulator, employee, researcher. Only these persons are users? No. This list of users of accounting, information is broad, include many stakeholders, not only whatever discussed, many stakeholders are there beyond commonly mentioned with diverse information needs among them. Management stands with the what, ma? Unique requirement. Generally, management can be classified into 3 types. What, ma? Top level management, middle level management, lower level management. Especially at the top level, informed decisions are crucial as they directly impact organization profitability. If you take the wrong decision, 100% impact on the profitability. 100% impact on what, ma? Profitability. Till now clear? Till now we discussed the concept called as concept number 1, at the same time concept number 2, users. Concept number 3 we already completed, branches of accounting. Remaining concepts will be discussed in the next class. Clear? Listen, before winding up the today's class, branches of the accounting three. Number one, accounting. Number two, cost accounting. Number three, management accounting. Accounting, we already discussed one of the branch. What about next branch? Cost accounting. No need to discuss. Already discussed as a 100 marks paper. Correct? Then we will go for, that is the reason, concept number 4. What is meant by management accounting? We'll discuss in the tomorrow's class. Till now, clear?